Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your energy check-in, you and your partners, for the end of September. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So this is for you and whoever's on your mind, your love interest. So Sagittarius, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love. And if you're new here, do join our Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all zodiac signs. So we welcome you in. Join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So the newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your partner. And the other side is, what did I just say? One side is you, one side is for your partner, and in the center we have your mutual energies. Sagittarius, some secrets have come out, I think. I just saw the High Priestess in reverse. That's why I fumbled on my words for a second. I was wondering what that was. But before I start your reading, Sagittarius, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you to top this reading. So my angel, what do you have for Sagittarius now, for as an advice or peaceful? Okay. Anything else by angels as an advice or blessing for my Sagittarius? Forgiveness, yes. That's what I was thinking. I said something has come out in the open where I think you need to now forgive the person, forgive the past, whatever has happened, has happened. Not only forgive the person, but Sagittarius, it's time to forgive yourself. We're all humans, we all go through various experiences. We shouldn't just keep them in our heart because, that leads to a lot of unrest. And now it's time, it's only when after you do your forgiveness is when you will find peace and you will be able to move forward in your life in a very happy way, right? So these two cards go very well together, Sagittarius. I don't know what this is for, but the cards I have for you are forgiveness and peaceful. So be it. Let's see what's going to come up on your reading to resonate, with these cards. So newbies, person A, person B, you decide which side you resonate best with, okay? So for person A, I have the Three of Cups in reverse. Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Hierophant, Five of Wands, and your card is here, Sagittarius, Temperance. For person B, World in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Two of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. So Sagittarius. Person A side, Sagittarius, I see the Three of Cups. Three of Cups in reverse is an energy of not feeling a bit disappointed, feeling there's nothing to feel happy about, good times are over, feeling a bit nostalgic about the past. You feel that nobody is maybe has not put in any work for you. Just feeling a bit disappointed in life. Now feeling that there's no work being put into this relationship. What you are looking for is now what you were looking, I think, for was a fresh new beginning, a fresh new start, something exciting coming your way. But whatever has not happened has left you feeling very sad and depressed. You felt that this person who you had so much expectations from, they turned out actually to be a troublemaker. They would come into your life, maybe bring in some drama, say some harsh words, dip in and out of your life, never consistent, never put the work in, and never ever offered any kind of beginning. This made you, person A, feel very, very upset and sad. They felt that none of their dreams were coming true. The other person was just not putting in the effort. There was nothing coming. All that was coming was drama. All that was coming was no work being put in. All that was coming was harsh words. In one day and out the other. But I think person A is now kind of trying to make a conscious decision now to release all their stress and tension and worry and Okay, what has happened, and what has happened, I think, has been a fight. A fight has happened between the two of you, Sagittarius, where person A is now trying to heal themselves to come out of it. They've realized that person B was nothing but an emotional manipulator, and never really showed their emotions. They never really committed. They never meant what they said. And I think when these secrets came to light, person A, I think, first went into a little bit of a depression, if I'm right here. Okay, person A went into a little bit of rejection feeling, depression feeling, and now I think this person is now trying to heal themselves, even though nothing really worked out. Maybe they wanted long-term stability with person B, which was not offered, and that's the fight that happened between the two of you. Now there is healing going on person A's side. Spirit, what is this Temperance card for person A? What's this Temperance for person A? Yeah, I think person A has realized it's time now to drop this burden altogether. It brought in nothing but stress and tension and pain and fighting. There's too much fighting and not enough investment put by the other person. Anything else, Spirit, for the Temperance card? What is this burden they're putting down? Yeah, this is it's passion which is waning now. They realize there's nothing left here. There's nothing to kind of work towards. There's nothing to look forward to, even though they were excited at one point, thinking things could have worked out. Yeah, somebody was. They feel the whole situation kind of has backfired on them, whereas all their hopes and wishes and dreams of having stability have been dashed. Right? They feel cheated upon. They feel very, very cheated upon. Let's see person B now. Person B is in the world in reverse energy, Sagittarius. According to them, nothing is over. Nothing is over yet. This person is single. This person is working either on themselves at the moment, busy with their own work, busy trying to be successful on their own, manifesting new things for themselves, money, pentacles. They don't think this is over. No, they are single, yes, but they don't think their relationship with you is over yet. For them, yes, they like their single life, and they like working with you as well. They know that you're very upset. Person A is very upset with person B. They know that, and they also know that whatever has come to light has made person A feel a bit defeated. Okay, whatever news that they have given. Okay, let's take the world in reverse. Spirit, what's this world in reverse for person B? Yeah, they don't want you to be single, I think. They don't want you to be single and out there. But what's this? Or maybe they know they can't offer you anything. They can't offer you stability. But they don't want to lose you either. They know things are coming to a halt here. They know that you are probably not wanting to be single, and yet they, I think, are manifesting their single happy life, and yet wanting to keep you wrapped up around their finger. Yeah, they don't want any fighting to happen. They don't want any toxicity in this relationship. They think everything is cool. They are a little surprised as to why person A is angry with them. They feel, oh, I love this person. I think we are soulmates. We have a lot of love between the two of us, and I have a lot of passion for this person. But they feel person A is no longer fighting for it anymore. What's this Two of Cups, Spirit? This is Two of Cups. Yeah, they like to be in control of the situation. It's always their way or the highway, basically. I mean, this is the way I want to do things. I want to remain in this comfort zone of mine. I do love you. I don't know why you're that angry. There's no need to be angry. Why are you bringing in toxicity into this relationship? Why do you want to end things? Yeah, this person is very focused on their own stability. This person is very busy with their own work, trying to be the boss here. This person is boss energy. So, but they also have a lot of passion. But this passion is like the in and out passion. It's not that they're going to offer marriage or commitment or anything like that. They like to keep it light. They like to move towards you whenever they want to, and then go back to their work whenever they want to. So what's this Knight of Pentacles spirit? Clarify the Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands for person B. Yeah, see, no commitment offered. They don't want to offer you commitment. They like it like this. That, I love you. I mean, what's the problem? I love you and I have passion for you, but don't expect me to bring in anything more than passion and love, maybe. Yeah. So they are now realizing that person A is kind of giving up on them. Let's see your mutual energies now. So these secrets have been talked about, I think, Sagittarius, between the two of you, where one person was waiting for commitment, is now and is fed up of the fighting and is realizing it's time to now heal and let go of the situation. Person B is focused on their own selves and they really don't understand what the big fuss is all about. So let's see what's in your mutual energy now. 8 of Swords, King of Wands, and the Page of Swords. So I think right now, at least till the end of September, Sagittarius, it's going to be a little bit of stress and tension between the two of you. This is a mutual energy, right? This person is feeling a bit rejected because a person is rejecting their romance offers or whatever. And even though you both make each other very happy, one person is rejecting the other one for bringing in just romance and flirtation. Like, what's the point? If I can't have this with you, 10 of Cups, then I don't want this either. And that's leading to both of you feeling stressed out. That, hey, we had a good thing going, why are you ending it? Why? Because this King of Wands, who's a reverse energy, is a very selfish character. This is all about me. Okay? This is the reason you both are in stress. This person I don't think they even realize what they're doing to you. Yeah, this person A is not only selfish, but everything about them is very open. I mean, they openly come and tell you that this is the way things are going to be. I mean, it's not hidden. But person A, you are under no illusions of what this person wants with you. They are being very honest about it. That, hey, I'm the King of Wands in reverse. I am a selfish character, and this is my truth. Take it or leave it. Or why are you leaving it? Why can't you be happy with me? But right now, because person A has pulled out, there is no happiness between the two of you. You both are wrapped up in your past, looking at all the memories which went bad in the past between the two of you. Right? So now till the end of September, I think all you guys are going to do is keep a watch on each other, spy on each other, see what the other person is up to, and both of you are feeling abandoned and left out in the cold. Alright? None of you are kind of being together right now, but just keeping a watch on the other person, spying on the other person, both feeling abandoned, lost, and rejected. One more card, Spirit. One more card for the Page of Swords. Yeah, I think the fighting is over as well, because I don't think you guys are in conversation. So both of you are trying to now get over this fight which has happened between the two of you. Which we saw, person A was already trying, and now person B is also, there's a lot of regret, sorrow, loss, feeling abandoned, and now willing to end this fight because of what was not offered, no stability. I think it's time now, Sagittarians, to go back into your peaceful space and forgive this person because they don't know any better. Right? But if you know better now, you can take charge of your own life and come to a peaceful place for yourself. And if you're the one who's doing it, I think it's time to forgive yourself for being selfish and hurting someone else, and make peace with this person. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. I'll see you soon for your weekend love bite and then the October reads. Till then, love and light. Namaste.